Okay, let's give you guys some more practice. So here, find dy by dx of this. Okay, so press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this here, visualize this whole thing here as this thing here. So when you come to do this, you can see that you've got one bubble here, multiplying with another bubble here. So when you come to differentiate this, you've got to use a product rule here. So remember the product rule is differentiate this, leave this the same, and then leave this the same, and then differentiate this. So using the product rule, remember in your mind you're actually visualizing one bubble here multiplying another bubble here. So the first step, hang on, and remember this bubble here is 2 over y. Okay, so the first step, differentiate this, leave this the same. So that would be hang on, that would be 3 and then dy. Remember, it's just 3 on its own, but then because y is a function of x, it's going to be dy by dx here, and then you leave this the same, which will be sine bubble. Let's just leave it as bubble here. Remember, it's 2 over y in this bubble here. And then plus, now we leave this the same, which will be 3y, and then differentiate this, which will be cos of the bubble. Okay, but then now visualize the bubble, because you now visualize the bubble. The bubble is 2 over y, but then visualize it as 2 y to the power minus 1. So that bubble there is this. Don't forget, when we come to differentiate this, it will give us 3y cos the bubble, and then we've got to differentiate the bubble, which will be times minus 2y to the power of minus 2, and then times the y here itself. It's just 1, but then we've got to do dy by dx here. Okay, so that's just the left hand side, and the right hand side, hang on, let me move down here. Now for the right hand side here, the right hand side, it will be just the product rule. So that would be like this. We've got one thing multiplying with another thing here. So remember, differentiate this, leave this the same. So that would be minus 3y, and then now keep this the same, which will be minus 3x, and then differentiate the y, which will be 1. But then because y is a function of x, we have to do dy by dx. Okay, so the left hand side here is this whole thing here, and then the right hand side here is just this here. Okay, so now it's just a matter of tidying up. Remember, in here, in the bubble, it's 2 over y, and this one here is 2 over y here. Okay, so now it's just a matter of tidying up. Looking at this, so this block here, so you can imagine this as one block, and this here, remember, you've got a plus here, a times here, a times here. So all this here exists as one block. Okay, so now it's just and here you've got a block here, so we can merge this block with this block here. So let's merge these two together. So that will be minus 6, and don't forget, here you've got 3y times minus 2y to the power minus 2. So the minus 2 times with this, that will give you the minus 6 here. Okay, so hang on. This block here is this thing here. Okay, now we're just trying to merge all these together here. So merging all of them together will give you this here. Okay, because if you look at this here, merging this block with this block here is like you doing this here. This merges with this will give you a minus 6 here. But then you've got y, that's like y to the power of 1 times y to the power minus 2. Then you just add these two together. That will give you minus 1. So my point is that all these, all these merged together will give you this. Okay, it's just basically us merging these two together. Okay, and then this bit here is just, well, it stays the same for the time being. So it stays the same for the time being. Okay, so from here we cleaned up to be this. Okay, so now the next step, hang on, let me clear this. So the next step is the next step is to, well, visualize as this. You've got one block here, and then you've got another block here. So on the left hand side is this block minus this block. On the right hand side you've got this block minus this block here. So now get all the dy by dx on one side here. So hang on, let me think. So hang on, let me think. Yeah. So now add this block to both sides. So in your mind, add this block to both sides. So this block here on the left hand side is this here. This block here is this block here. And don't forget, when we were here, we're going to add this block to both sides. That will then give us this. And then on the left, so on the right hand side, it's just simply 3 minus 3y. Okay, so basically from here we're just adding this block to both sides. Okay, that will then give us this whole thing here. Okay, and then hang on, and then we've got to factorize out the dy here, the dy by dx. We've got dy by dx here, dy by dx here, because at the moment you've got one block, taking away this block, add this block, and then on the right hand side you've got this. So factor out this, factor out this, factor out this. So that will then give you 3 sine 2 over y. That's this thing here, and then for the middle block here, that will give you minus, well, this thing here is this thing here, and then this thing here is this thing here, and then this is this, and so on here. Okay, so now it's so now divide both sides by, so at the moment you've got one block timesing this block here. So now divide both sides by this long block here. That will then give you this. Okay, so dy by dx equals this thing here.